India is moving fast to seal a trade deal with the US after US President Donald Trump's pause on tariffs. ED now learns from sources that talks are gaining pace with duty relief on US goods under PLI are also on the table. Samir Dikshit, my colleague, is now joining us with more details. Samir, over to you.
Yes, definitely. India has accelerated the trade talks with the US after the President Trump announced a 90-day tariff pause period. The government aims to finalize the first phase of the trade pact as soon as possible. Now, it is to be noted that India targets to have a $500 billion trade with US by year 2030, and to have a smoother trade relations with US, the government is looking to provide a certain relief for the US goods. The government is mulling the option to provide concessions for US goods in the space of electronics, pharma. Not just this, the concession or import duty relief might be provided for the US goods, especially in selected PLI sectors. These are a couple of options where the government is actively looking into, and a certain announcement might be made very soon. In addition to this, the 90-day tariff pause period announced by President Trump is also a breather, a positive development for the exporters, especially in the shrimp sector. Government understands that in addition to these developments, the additional import duty or the hike in the duty imposed on China, which has been raised by US to the tune of 125%. This also provides a positive opportunity for the Indian players, for multiple Indian sectors to have a wider and more market access in US. So with this sort of development taking place between India and US and a global scenario, the government understands that this is going to be a brighter opportunity for the Indian sectors, whether it be textile, pharma, agriculture, where they can have a more access in the US. And for the same, the government is looking to have a concrete development, a trade pact as soon as possible, and that might be announced very soon.
That's a big exclusive coming in. Samir, thanks so much for joining us with all those details.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.